Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Some newer versions of WordPress comes with formatting shortcuts. Now this formatting shortcuts allow users to quickly add common text formatting without removing their hands from the keyboard and without writing any HTML code. For example, here is the post section of our website and I'm entering a shortcut. Let's say it's ## and then the heading in the description box. Now this will automatically convert the ## into an H2 tag. Similarly, if I just use a single hash, it will become an H1 and triple hash for H3. So some users find it very difficult and confusing to use and it distracts them from their original content which they were writing. So in this video, you'll learn how to disable this visual editor formatting shortcuts for your later and newer versions of WordPress. So in your WordPress dashboard, hold on to Appearance and then click on Theme Editor. Now go to your functions.php file, which is the theme functions. Now here at the end of this file, you have to add a small piece of code. Before entering this code, make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore it later. Now I'm also adding this code in the description which you need to add here. So you can copy it and then you need to paste this code at the end of this file. Now once the code is pasted, you can click on Update File option. And as you can see that the file has been edited successfully. So let's visit the post section again and check the modified changes. In the description box, again I'm adding a shortcut as ## heading text, and on entering it you can see that the shortcode remains as usual. The hash remains as hash, it is not converted into an H2 tag, because this functionality has been now disabled using the code which you have added. So this is how you can disable the visual editor formatting shortcuts in WordPress newer versions. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.